In this short tutorial, I will show you how to open YouTube Desktop on mobile. By default, when you visit YouTube on your phone's browser, you are directed to the mobile version of the site. However, some users prefer the desktop version for its additional features and layout. To get started, open up the Safari web browser, tap on the URL bar, and type youtube.com. This will take you to the mobile version of YouTube. To access the YouTube desktop version on your mobile device, simply tap on this button at the bottom left, then tap and select this option, Request Desktop Website. It will take a couple of seconds to load. You should now see YouTube in a layout similar to what you would see on a computer or laptop, so that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you.